Benvenuto, and welcome to this magnificent estate. We are located on 750 acres of forest and 250 acres of vines. We're in the center of Castello di Quercetino, producer of fine Chianti wines along with Super Tuscans. We have olive trees, we have an abundance of nature. My wife and I have owned this property for close to 2 decades. Our responsibility is, in addition to that, a stewardship. Some parts of this house go back 300 years. We take pride in that. We bring to this 40 years in the hotel sector, along with the restaurant business, to ensure a wonderful experience in Chianti. For us, this is Tuscany, and this is Quercetino.